Understanding platform-specific strategies is crucial in 2025. Tailor content to each platform's unique audience and features. For instance, Instagram thrives on visual storytelling, while LinkedIn focuses on professional insights. TikTok's short-form videos engage younger audiences, and Facebook's diverse user base requires varied content. Mastering these nuances enhances brand visibility and engagement. Social media marketing is crucial today, with 5.31 billion global users spending an average of 2.5 hours daily on platforms. In the United States, 82% of consumers report social media influences their purchasing decisions. This evolution underscores its role in enhancing brand awareness, customer engagement, and driving sales growth across industries. Tailoring your strategy by platform is crucial. A one-size-fits-all approach underperforms due to unique algorithms and audience expectations. TikTok excels with short, viral videos for Generation Z. LinkedIn thrives on business-to-business thought leadership through professional articles. Instagram shines with visual storytelling using Reels and Stories, perfect for lifestyle brands. Facebook excels as a community and lead generation powerhouse with 2.1 billion monthly users, primarily Generation X and millennials. Retail, e-commerce, and real estate thrive here. Key strategies include building engaged community groups, business-to-consumer engagement, and Facebook Live events, which drive 30% higher engagement, ideal for product launches and question and answer sessions. Instagram thrives as a visual storytelling and influencer marketing hub, with 2 billion monthly users, primarily aged 18 to 34. Reels significantly boost engagement, while 45% of users are influenced to purchase. Fashion, beauty, and lifestyle brands excel here, leveraging influencer partnerships, Reels, and shopping features. A beauty brand's influencer Reel collaboration achieved 1.2 million views and a 15% conversion rate. X, formerly Twitter, excels in real-time trends and customer service with 611 million active users, primarily aged 25 to 34. Brands like JetBlue leverage rapid responses, achieving under 10-minute reply times, boosting follower growth by 35% and customer satisfaction by 22%. Key strategies include engaging with trending topics, timely responses, and using brand voice effectively. TikTok's algorithm emphasizes authentic, entertaining content, offering brands significant organic reach. With 1.5 billion monthly users, 60% aged 18 to 34, it leads in engagement. Users spend 52 minutes daily, participating in viral challenges and trends. Effective strategies include influencer marketing, creative product demos, and educational content. Key industries: e-commerce, fashion, beauty, food, and entertainment. YouTube, with 2.5 billion monthly users, excels in long-form educational content. Tutorials and how-to videos account for 70% of viewing time, leveraging Google integration for video search engine optimization. Brands benefit from precise ad targeting and deep analytics. A tech brand's tutorial series achieved 500,000 plus subscribers, generating 2,000 leads monthly. Key industries include technology, do-it-yourself, and education. LinkedIn excels in business-to-business networking, connecting 875 million users, primarily decision-makers aged 30 to 49. 4 out of 5 business-to-business marketers prioritize LinkedIn for its professional focus. Thought leadership articles can generate over 10,000 leads, while native lead generation forms capture prospects seamlessly. Employee advocacy further amplifies reach, making LinkedIn indispensable for business-to-business engagement. Snapchat's ephemeral content fosters urgency and exclusivity, perfect for time-sensitive promotions. Geo-filters and Snap ads target specific locations, enhancing local engagement. Disappearing content drives FOMO, prompting immediate action. A retail geo-filter campaign achieved 50,000 plus impressions and 8.2% engagement, leading to 1,200 store visits. AR lenses and filters create interactive brand experiences, ideal for local retail entertainment, and tourism. Crafting platform-specific content is crucial for maximizing impact. On Facebook, build communities with groups and live sessions. Instagram thrives on Reels and influencer partnerships. Engage on X with trending hashtags and rapid responses. TikTok demands fun, participatory content. YouTube requires high-quality tutorials, while LinkedIn focuses on thought leadership. Snapchat excels with geo-targeted, time-sensitive content. Engagement metrics like likes, comments, and shares reveal content resonance. Track reach and impressions for visibility insights. Conversion tracking measures click-through rates and sales. Platform-specific key performance indicators include TikTok completion rates and LinkedIn form fills. TikTok excels in engagement, LinkedIn in conversions, and Instagram balances both. Set platform-specific benchmarks for accurate performance evaluation. Define SMART goals like increase Instagram followers by 20% in 6 months. Identify target audience by researching demographics and platform preferences. Create tailored content. Vertical videos for TikTok. Articles for LinkedIn. Schedule strategically using content calendars. Monitor analytics weekly, adjust strategies, and conduct A/B tests for continuous improvement. EcoThreads, a sustainable fashion startup, executed a successful multi-platform campaign over 6 months with a $50,000 budget. On Instagram, partnering with 15 micro-influencers led to a 150% engagement increase. TikTok's hashtag EcoStyle Challenge drove 30% sales growth. Facebook's community group fostered engagement, while LinkedIn's business-to-business content secured 8 wholesale partnerships, generating $285,000 in revenue. Mastering social media marketing in 2025 demands platform-specific strategies. Tailor your approach to each platform's audience, format, and culture. Leverage data analytics to refine content and engagement tactics. Prioritize video content and authentic storytelling to enhance reach. Foster dialogue with audiences, moving beyond one-way promotional messaging for deeper connections.